Welcome back, food lovers. Today we're making one of the Middle East's most famous and refreshing salads, authentic Lebanese tabbouleh. Bursting with fresh parsley, juicy tomatoes, fragrant mint, and a bright lemon dressing, this healthy salad is light, flavorful, and incredibly easy to prepare. Let's get started. Ingredients. You'll need 3 large bunches of fresh flat-leaf parsley, ½ cup fresh mint leaves, 3 medium-ripe tomatoes, 4 green onions, 1/4 cup fine Bulgur wheat, juice of 2 fresh lemons, 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Optional, crisp romaine lettuce leaves for serving. Step 1. Prepare the bulgur. Place the fine bulgur in a small bowl and rinse it briefly under cold water. Drain well, then let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes until it softens. Once softened, squeeze out any excess moisture using your hands or a clean kitchen towel. Set it aside. Step 2. Wash the herbs. Wash the parsley and mint thoroughly in plenty of cold water. Drain them completely. For the best texture, make sure the herbs are as dry as possible before chopping. A salad spinner works perfectly if you have one. Step 3. Chop the parsley. Remove the thick stems. Using a sharp knife, finely chop the parsley. Traditional Lebanese tabbouleh is famous for its very finely chopped parsley, giving the salad its signature texture. Take your time with this step, it makes all the difference. Step 4. Prepare the mint. Finely chop the fresh mint leaves. The mint adds a refreshing aroma that perfectly complements the parsley. Step 5. Dice the tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes into very small, even cubes. If they're especially juicy, gently remove some of the seeds to keep the salad from becoming watery. Step 6. Slice the green onions. Thinly slice the green onions, including both the white and green parts. These provide a mild onion flavor without overpowering the salad. Step 7. Mix everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine the chopped parsley, fresh mint, diced tomatoes, green onions, softened bulgur. Gently toss everything together until evenly combined. Step 8. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together fresh lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, salt, black pepper. Whisk until the dressing is well blended. Step 9. Dress the salad. Pour the dressing over the salad. Using 2 large spoons, gently toss until every ingredient is lightly coated. Taste and adjust with more lemon juice or salt if needed. Step 10. Serve. Transfer the tabbouleh to a beautiful serving bowl. Serve immediately or chill for 15 to 20 minutes before serving. For a traditional Lebanese presentation, serve it with crisp romaine lettuce leaves, which can be used to scoop up the salad. Fresh, vibrant, and packed with flavor, authentic Lebanese tabbouleh is the perfect side dish for grilled meats, shawarma, kebabs, falafel, or simply enjoyed on its own. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Happy cooking!